Cordless Roman Blinds Installation Instruction. Install the handle in the middle position on the lower rail. Brackets installation needs to avoid springs and string reels. Measure the right and left end for installation positions and mark it. Then it's ready for installation. Fix the brackets inside the window first. Distance from the wall, the same as just measured, depth of 5 centimeters. Screws to secure the brackets. The same for the other side. Note, mounting brackets must be in the same level line. 2 pieces per meter. Align the top rail with the brackets and push in firmly. Push up from the inside. Slowly release the grip. If it needs to be removed, push inward hard first. The inside goes down. Then just take it out slowly. This is the effect of installation.